Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn poetry section 2.3 poem Inchcape Rock written by Robert Southey. So firstly we will understand about the poet Robert Southey. Robert Southey, he was born in Bristol, England. He was the son of a draper, educated at Westminster School and Balliol College, Oxford. Here, son of a draper. Draper, it means a dealer in clothes. It means that Robert Southey's father was a dealer in clothes, as he was born in Bristol. Robert Southey's period was 1774 to 1843. He was a poet laureate of England from 1813 to 1843. Laureate poet means here a highly honorable, distinguished poet in England. Robert Southey is a great letter writer, essay writer. He was a scholar of Portuguese and Spanish writing also. So now let us see about the poem. What the poem is actually says. This poem basically is a ballad. So what is the meaning of ballad here? Ballad, it is a literary term related to the poems. Ballad is a song or a poem generally meant to be singing. Ballad consists of 17 stanzas, and this ballad also through the poem shows a meaningful story. So this poem always narrates a story about something. So this poem Inchcape Rock is a ballad. It consists of 17 stanzas, as we know that a ballad have 17 stanza poem, which means a very long poem. 17 stanza, each stanza have 4 lines. It means that this poem have 68 lines. It means a very long poem it is, as the ballad should be. And the rhyme scheme in each stanza is A B B, as the ballad have the rhyme scheme A and B B. So this is the information about the ballad and about the poem. So now let us see the story of the poem, the Inchcape Rock. What the story tells through this poem. So the poem does tell the story of the 14th century about good abbot of Aberbrothock and devilish pirate Sir Ralph the Rover. Pirate here, pirate means Samandari Lutera, and abbot of Aberbrothock, abbot means very noble person, the person who do good things, that is called a abbot of Aberbrothock. Here Aberbrothock is a very nice, loving, doing good things, that kind of a person. And next character in this poem is Sir Ralph the Rover. Sir Ralph the Rover is a pirate. Pirate, it means समंदरी लुटेरा, जो जहाज़ों को डूबते हुए लूटने का काम करता है, एंड वेरी डेविलिश पर्सन, बहुत बुरा इंसान. Actually, it is a story about an Inchcape rock. Inchcape rock. There is a rock. Rock means, rock का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होता है, चट्टान, और Inchcape उस चट्टान का नाम है, Inchcape rock, which was famous and notorious for causing a loss of many lives and ships. There is 11 miles of east of Angus, Scotland, in the ocean. There used to be this rock. This particular rock was inside the ocean. Very small part of this rock was visible above the water. So when there used to be calm weather, when the ocean was calm, there was no storm, people could easily spot that rock. People could easily see that rock, so they could avoid and change the direction of the ship, and so that there used to be no accident. But when there used to be storm, there used to be heavier waves and heavy winds, so this particular rock was completely invisible, was completely underwater. So that time the mariner and sailors traveling in the ship, they could not see, they could not spot the rock that is there, because of the heavy winds and heavy ocean. They used to collide with the ships, used to crash, and then ultimately, due to the accident, ship used to be sunk down, and it caused many deaths and many shipwrecks. So this Inchcape rock was famous for, it was very dangerous. Actually, this rock was very dangerous for accidents, and people were very scared of this rock. So there were a head of priest. He was abbot of Aberbrothock, and what he was done, when passing through this rock, he had installed a bell on the buoy. Buoy means here, buoy, B-O-U-Y, buoy means an instrument, about a pole, so that of course when weather is come, there is no need of bell, but there used to be storm. During the storm, only this rock is used to be very dangerous for the ships. So during the storm, and there used to be very heavy wind and very heavy waves. Due to this heavy wind and heavy waves, this bell used to ring wildly, and issues warning to the mariner and ships coming its way. So however, this storm is there and the bell is used to ring loudly, the mariner and sailor used to get notified indirectly. Now we are getting this noise for this particular direction. It means there is this Inchcape rock, so they used to change course, they used to change direction. So this is that rock, and look, this is the picture of that rock and this bell. So the coast and the direction of ship, and so they were safe. So whenever the ship were saved due to the storm, they used to bless, they used to remember in good way Sir Abbot of Aberbrothock. Because of him, their life were saved. So Abbot of Sir Aberbrothock was very famous. People used to be love him for good things that he had done to save the life of people. And there used to be devilish pirate. Pirate, it means Samandari Lutera, named Sir Ralph the Rover. He wanted that ship get damaged so that it will be easy for him to attack such ships and then plunder all things. They were the targets for him. तो यहाँ पर सर राल्फ द रोवर जो हैं वो एक समंदरी लुटेरे हैं और वो हमेशा यही चाहते हैं कि कहीं से कोई जहाज़ का एक्सीडेंट हो जाए या कहीं पर वो जो चट्टान हैं जो समंदर को में जा रहे हैं जहाज़ के थ्रू, वो उस चट्टान को ना देखे या दिखाई ना दे वो चट्टान, और वो जहाज़ वो चट्टान से टकरा जाए या फिर कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि बहुत ज़ोरदार हवाएं चले और वो जो बेल जो है, वो बेल किसने लगाई थी, वो बेल अबोट ऑफ एबोब्रोथॉक ने जो लगाए थे ताकि जो भी जहाज़ वहाँ से टकराए, जैसे ही जहाज़ वो चट्टान से थोड़ा सा टकराए तो उससे पहले वो बेल से टकराए और वो बेल जैसे ही आवाज़ दे तो लोग अपने उस शिप को बचा सके, क्योंकि बेल की आवाज़ से क्या होता था कि वो लोग अलर्ट हो जाते थे शिप में बैठने वाले लोग कि अरे यहाँ पर अब चट्टान है, और वो अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देते थे, जहाज़ जिस तरफ जाने वाला था उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करके वहाँ से ले जाते थे। उनके लिए वो वो बेल एक अलर्टनेस का काम करती थी। लेकिन ये जो थे सर राल्फ द रोवर, ये क्योंकि समंदरी लुटेरे थे और ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहते थे कि वो जो शिप जा रही है वहाँ से वो बेल उनको नज़र ना आए या वो बेल ना बजे और इस तरह से वो जो शिप है चट्टान से टकराए और इस तरह से वो शिप का एक्सीडेंट हो जाए और सर राल्फ द रोवर को मौका मिल जाए उस शिप पर अटैक करने का और वहाँ की सारी चीज़ें लूट लेने का। सो अनदर, और ये एक रीज़न था सर राल्फ द रोवर के पास, और दूसरा रीज़न ये था, अनदर रीज़न वॉज दैट ही वॉज वेरी जेलियस ऑफ द फेम ऑफ सर अबोट ऑफ एबोब्रोथॉक, because why people used to love so much, why people used to remember him in good ways, in good terms, and they used to bless him. So he was very jealous of the fame of Abbot of Aberbrothock, and then as a consequence of his jealousy he cut down the bell. और दूसरा रीज़न ये था अबोट ऑफ एबोब्रोथॉक पर जो सर राल्फ द रोवर थे वो जेलस भी फील करते थे, क्योंकि अबोट ऑफ एबोब्रोथॉक जो थे उनको लोग बहुत पसंद करते थे, क्योंकि उन्होंने जाने से पहले बहुत अच्छा काम किया था। उस चट्टान के ऊपर इस तरह से एक बेल लगा कर गए थे ताकि आने वाले जो दूसरे शिप्स हैं उन लोगों की जान बच सके। लेकिन सर राल्फ द रोवर जो थे वो क्योंकि लोग एबोब्रोथॉक को बहुत पसंद करते थे, इस वजह से भी राल्फ द रोवर जेलस फील करते थे कि लोग उनको क्यों इतना पसंद करते हैं, क्यों इतना मानते हैं, क्यों उनको इतना अच्छा बोलते हैं। ये एक रीज़न था सर राल्फ द रोवर के पास अबोट ऑफ एबोब्रोथॉक से जेलस फील करने का। सो and then what happened because of this jealousy, what happened, he cut down the bell. Ralph the rover cut down the bell, and then what happened we will see in the poem. So overall this is the major storyline that is narrated this poem, the Inchcape Rock. So let us see, let us start the poem and we will try to understand the poem into stanza by stanza. Hope so you will understand the story. Here this is the picture where Sir Ralph the rover is cut down the bell. This is the picture in your textbook page number 105 and 104. So I think you will understand the overall story of the poem. Next we will see the story stanza by stanza, line by line. Okay, hope so you may understand all the story about the poem, and thank you for listening. Thank you.